because in normal mode right now I'm set at 60% for my normal throttle curve, and the safe wants to know. So this is only for normal mode, so if you're in normal mode and you're at 60%, you put it there. You know, stunt 1 I'm at 70, and then stunt 2 I'm at 80, I believe in the throttle curves. Gyro settings. This is the positioning of your gyro, the orientation. If I click on it, I'm going to give you 1,000,001 different ways to put your gyro. You can put it upside down, sideways, backwards, upside down, right side up, whatever you want. So we'll leave it in position 1. My wires are towards the front right now. Oh, the flight mode channel, everybody. I'm using auxiliary 3, and the reason being is because aux 2 is your panic recovery. So in my setups, I'm using 3 different PID gains for 3 different head types, for 3 different throttle curves, I guess you'd call it. And my gain channel's on gear because I've got my gyro menu set in order to control my tail gyro. So aux 3 and gear, just like I showed you in the channel assignment earlier. And that'll make your switches work, and I can prove to you that it's working now. Once I get out of this menu and I go to the main menu, if I just click on swash plate, you will see, let's get back in there. Will I see? Oh, you can tell in tail rotor anyway right now that we're in hold mode. I click out of hold mode, it goes to normal mode. Click into stunt 1, click into stunt 2, it tells you right here. I believe it does that on the swash plate too, but it had to catch that information. Oh yeah, I would have to click on roll, duh. So again, on roll, once I've clicked on it, normal mode, stunt 1, stunt 2. These numbers could be different, like if I, basically normal mode if I'm 50 here, but then in stunt 1 if I want to be 51, and I hit OK, and then I go to stunt 2 and I want to be 51. Okay, then basically I've got 3 different PID settings for those different head speeds, and that's really good because if you've got a shake, you know, when the head's moving slow, but you don't have a shake when the head's moving fast, then you'll want to be able to adjust for that. At least I do, because I don't just fly in one mode. So pretty cool. I can move those back right now to 50 since I haven't tested anything yet.
Step 2, normal.
Oops. Let's connect this. So again, there's your swash plate. Somebody just came to my door, I guess.
Step 1.
So let's put this back at 50 where it was stock. And then we'll go to stunt 2 and turn that one down to normal mode. So after you can do roll, you can do pitch. You can basically, the degrees per second should be the same. So I'm at 420 now. It was standard at 270. And I left the proportional integral all stock for now. And I have flown it, it flies great. So now if I go into safe mode, you're going to go into stability here at the top, and you can see that again I'm in normal mode, and and also the blade doesn't turn while you're in the menu, so that's pretty cool. So you're safe to work on this. Stability is on when I'm in normal mode, but as I change it to stunt 1, you can see the stability goes off. So that's telling you that it's working. I had to work on this for a while and pick the right channels in order to figure out how it would work along with my radio and the channel assignment. Oops. And it keeps terminating, I think, because I'm under this fluorescent light, but it's right back that easy, you guys. It's real simple. So as you can see, it's still working. Agility is how robotic it feels, how stiff or how loose it is. It's at 100 for now. I'm probably going to turn that down. I believe it becomes a little more loose as I go down, and it's really robotic right now as it is. It feels real good, but I'm going to play with it out in the park here on one of the next videos that we do. So
1 minute.
Pretty much covers it. You know, you will have to have an update on your radio. You get the forward programming in that update. Oh, and there is telemetry too. I forgot about that part to show you. I don't know what else I need to show. Let's show you the system setup menu. There's a Calibrate the Sensor. Some people ask me how to do that. You just hit begin, and it's that easy. It's complete already. It's told itself that it's level, which is really nice. What else? The mixing is done. I showed you how to do that. Your throttle curves, pitch curves, that's basically just helicopter 101. You're going to need a linear pitch curve basically to fly upside down, so if you like that, that's how you're going to set it up. In normal mode, I tend to use some pitch so that in stable mode it's flying. I'm going to go ahead and turn that timer off.
Timer reset.
Okay, oh yeah, and the telemetry. Let's go to that menu right now. So I haven't really set it all the way up yet. So far I've got a flight log and a frame loss. We're at 7.6 volts on the receiver pack. And this is the smart screen. It will have my battery voltage here and my motor current and my temperatures and my RPM. I do have to initialize those in the telemetry screen. So if I went to model setup here, I'd go to telemetry, and then you can see that I've got smart battery assigned here, and when I click on it, I've got to set up the amperage and the volts and the things like that. Kind of wish that was automatic, but it doesn't take that much time, and once you know your voltage, you'll be alright. So we'll go back out of that. I think that pretty much covers this, guys. You know, I mean, spend some time with it. You're not going to get it in the first 20 minutes, but you know, I've been at this now for a few hours, and I feel that I can go out to the field now and play with this gyro and get it to fly exactly the way I want it to. And I did fly it in front of the house, and it was pretty amazing how stable the tail is and the head, and how good the pyro compensation is. So it's a good one. I suggest everybody takes $200 and goes and buy one, because it's all us in this heli community, and everyone needs to help one another, and I think this is some really good technology that we can all use. So as always, have a good time flying, and hope to meet every one of you someday, and thanks for your support. This is Kosho 619. I'm out.